friend zone.
This team's performance is all about confidence and teamwork. They've been brilliant.
Goalkeepers deserve more protection today, or some protection anyway.
He didn't mean to go that close to the bar, that's for sure, but what a strike.
It's a goal that has put this match right back in the balance. The next goal really is critical now.
Mentally as much as anything, getting a 2-goal lead doesn't half help you. Helps you, deflates your opponents.
That's 2 goals for him now. He's just so difficult to keep quiet.
Well, that's why he's so good. He's just deadly from there.
This is turning into a rather one-sided game.
This team's performance is all about confidence and teamwork. They've been brilliant.
Goalkeepers deserve more protection today, or some protection anyway.
So simple. I just fucked 2 bitches before I saw